Hi everyone, welcome to my channel this morning. My name remains Salah Latif Gideon. Welcome you all to my channel. Now, if you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel because I'll be walking you through the analysis journey, how you can use your Excel functions, Power BI, and the data science part, which is how to use your SPSS to analyze the correlation, regression analysis, multiple regression, linear regression, mean and standard deviation, and so on. But this morning, my goal this morning is to show you how you're going to input your questionnaires into your SPSS. Now, I'm going to show you how you're going to input your questionnaire into your SPSS. I noticed many of our researchers they outsource their chapter 4, which is their data and their data interpretation and analysis. So they outsource it. So I'm going to show you this morning how you're going to input this questionnaire directly into SPSS. Yeah, sorry, I was working with this data. I'm going to delete this data. I'm going to delete it now. Then I'm going to open a new one. So we'll start with the spreadsheet. So I noticed some people, people they 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 outsource their chapter 4, which is not supposed to be so. You can do this. Yeah, it's very simple and straightforward. So this morning I'm going to be showing you how you can go about that. So we're going to be using a new query. Yeah, yeah, I'm going to use a new query. Okay, now this is my SPSS. Now I use SPSS 2017. Yeah, you can use 2020, 2021, 22, 23, as the case may be. They all have the same interface. Yeah, they have the same interface. So now SPSS has two views. Do you get? Now we have if we come down here, we have our data view and we have our variable view. Now our variable view is where we do our dirty work. Like I call it my my worksheet. I call my variable view, I call it my worksheet. Now I call my data view, I call it my result sheet. So now this is how it works. Whatever you do on your variable view will appear on your data view. That is where you get the result. The result will appear on your data view. So so anything I impute here, we I can access it on my data view. So this is like the back end and the data view is like the front end. So now let's go to the business of the day now. This is my questionnaire. Now, the questionnaire has two sections. We have the section A and we have the section B. Now, the section A is contains questions that is relating to our respondent demographics, the sex, marital status, occupation, their age, and the likes. Now, while the section B comprises of questions that are relating to our variables. So, like here, we have the schema pricing, which is variable one, variable two, variable three, and our dependent variables are sales volume. So, now, our first question, let's start with section A, sex of respondents. So, this sex of respondents, we have the male and the female. So, let's go back to our SPSS. How do we input this in our SPSS? So, let's go back here. So, to this place, so let's go to our variable view. Our variable view, like I said, is our worksheet. So, ensure you're on your variable view. Then, sex. Let's type sex. After sex, you click on enter. So, we have this input, this information. So, now our data type it's on numeric. Sex is not a number. So what we're supposed to use is a text. On SPSS, we call it strings. Yeah, strings are text characters. Do you get? Strings are text characters. So okay, sex strings. We can leave these two. Then we can label one. Can label it sex. Then our values. Now this is where the work is. Now we have our we want to input our value. So go to this place and we check what are our options for sex, male and female. So go back to our SPSS. Now SPSS recognizes, click on this value. SPSS recognizes numbers when you want to input values. Do you get it recognizes numbers to interpret whatever you want. So you are going to run a command there. You're going to tell SPSS, I have two options, male and female. SPSS, if I should give you value one, return back to me male, then you add it. If I should give you value 2, return back to me female. If you add it again, then okay. Then let's go to, I call this our worksheet, right? Let's go to our result sheet. What do we have here? We have sex here. I told you whatever you do here will appear here. So we have our, now if I should enter anywhere 1 here, I'll get male. If I should enter 2 here, I'll get female. Now, this is depending on number of respondents. If you have 10,000 respondents, so or if our population is 10,000 and I have 10,000 respondents, so I'm going to input how many here? 10,000. So I'm going to come here, female. No, this is part of it. If you return the figure because it is not part of our command. So one, I'm going working with 1 and 2. 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 1. So that's how you're going to. Now the number of questionnaire you have determined how many you're going to input here. So if you have 5,000 questionnaires, which are, and you have 5,000 respondents, so we are going to input 5,000 here so as to give us what we want. So let us try out another one. Okay, let us try occupation. Occupation. So let's go to our SPSS. Let's go to our variable view, which is our worksheet. Let's go to occupation, type occupation. rather. So we can leave our data type, we can leave it as numeric. It's not really significant. So occupation, I mind my spelling, I'm trying to be fast. So let's go to our value. So we have how many options? We have wage employment, A, B, self-employed, and C, not stated. So we are going to tell SPSS if I should give you 1, return back to me wage employment. Should give you 2, return back to me self-employed. I should give you 3, come back to me not stated. And that's it. So I should go to my data view and I go to my occupation. Sorry about my notification. 1, wage employed. If I enter 3, not stated. 2, self-employed. 3, not stated. 1, wage employed. 2. So that is how it works. Now let's go to the section B, which is which is about our variable. So this section B, now we are going to summarize each question that we have here in our section B. We have, I don't bother about the high price in as much as it is a fresh farm produce, which is our question 1. Now you are going to summarize it. There, this person is saying, this statement is saying, I don't bother or I don't care about the high price in as much as it is a fresh farm produce. Now there's something relating here, freshness and high price. So let's go back to our SPSS. So I'm going to come here, tell SPSS, go to my variable view. I'll summarize it. So I'm going to call it high price fresh. Now, what I did here, I wrote them together because SPSS doesn't recognize any other character except text character or strings character when you're inputting your name and some other places. Now, if I should leave a space here, what I mean by other character, like space is a character. If I should leave a space here and write fresh, I write fresh. SPSS will disregard this information. Like variable name contains an illegal character. So what I have to do is write them together. I write fresh. So bring it, I can change it, I can leave it in text, I can change it, leave it in numeric, I can change it to strings, either ways. So I can call this high price fresh. Then our value. What do you want SPSS to return to us? Now we have strongly agreed, agreed, decide, strongly disagreed. So we'll tell SPSS if I should give you 1, return back to me strongly agree. 1. If I should give you 2, return back to me agree. If I should give you 3, return back to me undecided. If I should give you 4, return back to me disagree. If I should give you 5, return back to me strongly disagree. Sorry, strongly, strongly disagree. So, okay. So if I should go back to my data view, I have high prices here. So if I should tell this person I want agree, I click on two, one, three, four, disagree, five, disagree, one, agree, strongly agree, two, agree, three, and decide. So that is how it works. Very, very simple, right? Yeah. If you are getting value here, come on, go to the down button and subscribe to my channel. Give me a like, okay? So other people can see this also. So let us turn on that one. I want to show you something here. Now, consumer benefit, consumer, you input all of them accordingly. I am supposed to do the question two immediately, but I want to show you something here. So consumer will buy farm produce that have low price. So here the main target is low price. So we just go to our SPSS. The summary is low price. So just go to our variable view. So you just go here, you just click on low price, no space, sorry, low price. You can leave it this way. Then you come here, low price. Now, if I have if I have if I have 15 questions, I don't need to click on value and input. If I give you one, return back to me. Strongly agree. If I give it to no, this is what you do. Go to this place, then right click, right click. So you right click and you copy. Then you come here, then you paste. You have the same thing here. Since they are all strongly agreed, strongly disagree, and the likes. So it's copying, it's copying. I don't know why it's wasting time. Sorry about this. Don't know why it's taking much of our time. I think that's that. So my space is loading. But see, it's here already, low price. So if I should come here, enter two, it will give me the same thing. Sorry. I'm not saying it. I'm not saying it. But hope you got the gist. Like I don't know why it's taking too long to load, but that's what I want to explain. Like you just copy this, you copy and you come here and you paste, and that's all. So you do the same thing. If I have another question, statement, I come here, I type the statement. Let's say I have low, low, high, high. So I come here, low, high, come here, and I paste also. Do the pasting. So if you go here, the same result will be yellow and present. If I should input all this variable, they will give me my result. They will return back the result. So that's how it works. I don't know why this is doing this way. So that is all about inputting questionnaire into your SPSS. Now, if you want to learn how to analyze the data and how you can interpret it, then come to my DM, come to my comment post, send me a message. I want to learn how to do this, and I'll share my contact with you. And from there, very, very simple. You can do this and you can make fucking money with this. Yeah, make good money with this. Okay. Thank you very much. I love you. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Thank you.